Alright. Does it feel good there?
Yeah.
Hopefully that looks alright for you guys.
Yeah.
I don't think that's the one for the side,
I'm not gonna fit that. Because someone barely fit in that, and there's more than me.
Let's get over here. Because it's only 1 by 1, so. Does that seat look bigger than that one?
For me, it looks a little slightly bigger.
A little bit, what?
It looks slightly bigger.
It does look slightly bigger. We'll see what they say next. Go ahead.
I don't know how to get in.
You guys can mount it right there.
It'll be alright. We'll do that for now, and if anything, you can throw in there later. Okay. Could you talk him through how to get on one of these? Because he's never sat in one of these.
Okay, so all you're going to do is just put your foot right here.
And then just maneuver down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, you still fit in it. I know.
It looks simple enough, Damien?
Not really.
Feet right there. What about my hump? Make sure to hold steering wheel. Just sit down.
I feel like
Try not to put your feet on this right here because that's what helps the steering.
yeah.
Now your foot's probably
Gotta get your right foot out.
I know.
Okay, lift this part out.
I can't.
Can't get your right foot stuck?
Left.
Can you steer? Okay, that's fine.
Hard.
Yeah, it's going to be hard. So it's because this is a little bit. Wait, you and Junior do that?
Do you fit in that one?
A little bit. Barely.
I'm going to get my open.
I'm gonna do something else.
Put them outwards so they don't touch the steering wheel.
Does that seem a little better?
My shirt came up.
You'll be alright. You don't have to worry about that too much.
Make sure you have your elbow up because it will be.
Yeah, and this right here gets super hot, so you do not want to touch it.
You do want to lean back all the way, but try not to lean back.
I am leaning back.
Try to sit up as straight as you can. That probably helps.
That help a little more, buddy?
Yeah.
Alright. I apologize that this is all that you could at least try, but listen, there's always time in the future. Remember that.
Yeah.
You're going to love it, trust me.
This is nothing like sitting in the passenger seat while I race and you sitting there with the steering wheel. That should be good enough.
Good?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna just get it running, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, remember, just hit it on and off, on and off, okay? And then use your brake when you get to go.
like the other person did.
I've
Your
gotten
feet
out of
right
this.
here.
I only spun out on my second lap.
You did good though. You did good. How'd you like it?
Good.
It was? All right. Go ahead and get your helmet off. We'll talk a little more about it. Oh, we can stop this as well.
Yeah.
Hopefully that looked okay.